Let's talk about the Amazon Influencer Program in 2026 and what you should know if you're getting the program in August or anytime after now. So first off, what is the Amazon Influencer Program? This is a program where you make videos for products and you upload them onto the Amazon platform. When somebody watches your video and makes a purchase, Amazon gives you a commission. Usually, I used to tell people to make simple review videos for 30 to 60 seconds for everything you own in your household. But currently, things have changed. Shorter videos don't make commissions anymore. I mean, they don't even get placement on the carousel. So for you to be able to earn to earn from a product, you need to be on the carousel. And now, good quality long form videos is what is paying. Like you giving details of the product, that is what is paying. So if you're still doing the old strategies of simple short videos for 30 to 60 seconds, you won't earn any money. So it's a two-step verification process or a two-step approval process. The first step, you need to link your social media to your Amazon account. You can link Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Best platforms are Instagram and TikTok. Once you have linked those, it's going to tell you if you are approved or not, or eligible or not. If you see the success screen saying you're eligible, you then go ahead to create 3 shoppable videos, just 3 videos, and you upload them onto Amazon. Amazon takes anywhere between 3 to a week to review these videos, and then you get accepted into the program. You can start making videos to upload onto the platform. Now, when you're getting in as a beginner, start by reviewing things in your household. But then I'll tell you now that if you're reviewing things in your household, try to make sure that those videos or those products are selling on Amazon. If you review things that are not selling, you won't make any money. So try to make sure that those videos have, on Amazon, they always show you if it's selling like 50 times a month or 100 times a month. Make sure that those videos that you're trying to make are selling. Else you'll be wasting your time for nothing. Also, try to check if they have creator connections. So creator connections is like other incentives that the brands put onto the commissions. April 2026 this year, Amazon cut down the commissions for the on-site placement. So things that used to be like 4% now are like 1.5%. And 1.5% on a $50 product is barely nothing. But those creator connections make your earnings amount to something. So make sure that that product is selling well. It has a creator connections. Now, the next thing, once you've started doing this, you review things in your household, the momentum is building. Make it as detailed as possible. Try to answer questions that buyers might have. So let's say you want to buy a shoe, make sure that you're answering the questions like, okay, does it fit true to size? Can I wash it in the machine? Does it hurt the toes? All those detailed things that people want to know. That is why it's being called the Amazon Influencer Program, because you have used it and you're then telling them your experience based on what you have used. If you start making videos and let's say you have 100 videos on your storefront, the next thing you have to do is to invest in softwares. The Amazon Influencer Programs has different softwares you can use to help you accept those creator connections I was talking about. They also help you to do better product research. They help you to do a lot of different things like cross-posting to different countries or cross-posting to YouTube. But as a beginner, that should not even be your worry. You should just be able to get the software so you can get extra commissions from creator connections. There are softwares like Oink, there's VaraView, there's a new one that just came out like Logi, but for me, I would say every beginner should have Oink. It is very important. It helps you with product research. It helps you accept those extra commissions for the products. Then let's say you get to the 1,000 point mark. This is where you have to start investing into product research. When you get in the program, sellers will offer you a lot of free products and you'll be excited to get free products. That's also nice for you to accept them because then you're building up your platform, you're building up your portfolio. But it gets to a point where, let's say you've reached the $1,000 mark or $1,000 mark a month. This is when you start doing more of product research. You start buying and investing in products yourself. You need to make sure that the product is selling. You need to make sure that it has creator connections for at least 30 days. You need to also make sure there is a available slot for influencer videos. Go through those videos and see how long they are. Then you see how detailed the videos are. You can know how to break even, because if you don't make videos that are up to that quality or that are up to the standards of it being in the carousel, you would have made a video for nothing and you won't earn anything from it. So these are the things that you should know if you're getting the program in 2026. The moment you get in, there are a lot of things that you're still going to learn, but as a beginner, just so you know, I used to be like the puppeteer of telling you, oh, it's easy to get in, make 60 to 30 seconds videos, and that's why I'm doing this video, a detailed one, so you know that this is the update. It's no longer how people used to say, like, okay, it's very easy to do. And if you don't know what to expect, if you get in the program and it doesn't look like what you were told when you got in the program, you might get disappointed and you drop out. It's still a very good program, but you have to implement strategies that are going to work for you and are going to make money for you. If your videos are not converting, they are not making money for you, you'll just be doing videos for nothing. It's just going to be a waste of time. Anyways, that is it for the Amazon Influencer Program for 2026. If you have any more questions, leave them down in the comment section. I'll answer them as detailedly as possible and give you all the information you need for you to know if this is good for you or not. Bye.